Okay.
What it do? How you doing?
Man? Car out here?
Yeah, yeah.
Sheesh. I was playing Forza. I was literally building an M5 right now. Yeah? So we are taking this plug wire. Yeah. Mine's is backwards because of the coil packs, but where is this one going? That shit would be this one. But basically, my man's vintage Beamer's here, and his coil is like, we think it's wire, so we're gonna swap in the wire. Hopefully that fix it. If it fix it, we have hope. But my problem is I don't be documenting things, so I'm just documenting it right now.
Because he feels like it?
Yeah, you feel me? I have to. Sometimes I be lagging.
He don't post shit, though. He records a lot, but he don't post shit.
She knows.
Right? So he just be in his own world, like not really caring.
Call me out, huh?
You gotta post that too now.
I know, right? Just edit all this out, though.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Sorry about that.
Could you? No, you yank it a little bit.
One, right? This is the one. I'm just trying to show you the wire. Which
Yeah,
one
yeah.
It's this one. It's this one. I'm tugging. I'm tugging.
Okay, yeah. It has to be
Yeah,
that
for
one.
sure.
All right, I'm gonna rip it off real quick.
What? That joint right there.
This one?
That screw, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you put it in there? Oh,
Yeah, just to keep it there. I didn't want to.
You just put it on the,
You're okay.
I'll just hold it. Da-da-da-da. I do a little something. It's like a promising. Alright, one more for the rear end. Jeez! I need to fix my car.
we back.
This is Bailey's car. Low-key is up for sale. Vintage Beamer. Yeah, vintage Beamer. This is what you'll get. Good price. I mean, his biggest concern is the high mileage, but I mean, you'll feel that. Look at these door panels. These door panels don't even say they 300,000.
I haven't.
Yeah, they kind of all need it.
Grab that bin out right here too.
This one?
Yeah, you guys can stick to that.
Hey. Show some love. But yeah, this is up for sale, bruh. It won't come with the wheels unless you got the price right. That's the reason why you need a community behind you, because then the support is there. Because if you have no other, like, yes, we did the old style trial and error type of thing, but if you don't have one around you, especially these type of cars, good luck. Even getting information, it's just hard. That's why you need like community behind you. And that's the reason why I love the E34 community in the first place. More on that later, but yeah. Fresh painted. Bless us with some shirts here. Look at this. Sheesh.
Yeah, man, grab a couple shirts and shit. I think you grab a couple shirts, man. Okay.
Yeah, he needs a couple. Alright. Vintage Beamer about to let me whip the M5 because I don't got one. This might be Dave's car, man. Hopefully, we'll speak it into existence. See, it could.
It is a standalone now. It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, well, that's what's gonna happen. Look at this bread box here.
Dude, I fucking love these things. This is sick.
The shifter feels like a 280, and it's got power steering. It's very high, the clutch. Not that high on mine. This steering wheel, I'm not used to it.
That's good.
Yeah.
So, I'm buying it.
This is how an old M5 should ride. Dude, it makes me miss my car. Yeah, yeah, but that's easy fix. That actually motivates me to fix it, you know? See, this car, I wouldn't want to drive fast. I don't know why. Probably because of shifter. Watch it. Shift it into third. It's probably because it's so long.
Truck throw.
Yeah. It doesn't encourage me to go fast.
There's a little 1-2 though.
Yeah, right here. Here, can you hold this? Alright, a little 1-2 pull.
That was all the way down?
That was all the way down.
What?
Yeah. Made me realize how faster my car is.
It like has no top end at all.
I know.
That's weird.
Alright, I'll make you turn the other way.
In the hood. In the cut.
The ride's good though. Suspension wise. Alright, all the way.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. It's not as fast as your car.
I know, my car's way liver, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the tune or what.
Oh, for sure. Bimmers by Dave.
Beaver's by Dave, of course, bro. The standalone. It just feels more like it feels
It's just
comfort.
Yeah.
More comfort.
It's like more tame.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly.
Yours, when it passes like 5,000, it like keeps going.
And it's like, what?
Yeah.
What? Oh, I should probably go around. Yeah, this thing feels like a good daily driver. My car, no. My car feels like I need it forward all the time.
I do need a daily.
Yeah, but once you get this, we're gonna do the same thing.
Yeah, same thing. It's gonna be like trumpets, standalone. What else? Suspension.
Yeah, and then once we do a valve adjustment on this, I'm sure it will liven up some more. Dang, I wish my car was running so I could like show them.
You could take him for a rip.
This is what your M5 could be like. That's a quick little M5 drive. Every time. What are you doing, bro? Okay. Quick mobbing width. It's all factory in here too. Seaman.
Misfire?
Nah, you good. Damn, I gotta fix my car. Damn, that mug look nice. Yeah, I gotta fix that.